The best spearguns will be easy to use and fun to wield. Using a high-quality speargun will be like using a high-powered rifle on land. Your sole purpose in spearfishing is to catch fish, and a speargun will do just that. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss and review the best spearguns, which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Cressi Apache Aluminum Speargun. This Cressi option is a strong and durable design in a lightweight body. A 57-inch diameter barrel gives you the ability to use many different kinds of spears while achieving maximum velocity. Coming in 4 different sizes, you have the choice of size depending on what you are going to be hunting. Cressi uses a band in this gun that propels the spear at a higher speed and gives you ultimate accuracy. A soft handle gives you the grip you need while underwater and can be adjusted according to the size of your hand. The trigger is sensitive, so it won't alter your shot when you have the perfect shot lined up. This is an excellent speargun for the money. The Cressi Apache is a great entry-level speargun. It uses a band that can be easily replaced when needed. The close barrel increases the accuracy, a perfect choice for hunting the dreaded lionfish. What do we like? Powerful gun. Fast speed. Adjustable handle. Affordable price. Number 2. JBL D7 Carbine Speargun. This is one of the best valued spearguns on our list. It comes in 4 sizes. The Mini D5 is 16 inches long, the Mini Carbine D6 is 23 inches long. Both of these models use a single band. The Carbine D7 is 33 inches long and the Super Carbine D8 is 41 inches long. The larger 2 models use a dual band system. The Carbine line uses a 9/32 diameter shaft with 6mm threads. The provided tips depend on the model but accept standard 6mm tips. These are great guns for beginner hunting on reefs or other close-range targets. They have a body made from aircraft-quality aluminum, with a stainless steel trigger mechanism, so will not rust. Featuring a UV protective exterior allows you to use this gun longer. This gun is so solid you are sure to bring home plenty of fish. Number 3. Cressi Comanche Speargun. This gun has excellent firing precision, meaning that you are sure to get your kill every time. An angled hand grip combined with the anatomical muzzle for shaft alignment makes this gun an excellent choice for all skill levels. A gentle shaft release system, as well as the easy reload, is so easy that even a beginner can do it. With the high-quality materials used to construct this gun, it is built to be a perfect option for the most experienced hunters. Cressi's Comanche is the world champion speargun suitable for hunters of all skill levels. The power for the speargun is created using a parallel band system. The Comanche rail has an anti-corrosion aluminum tube with a closed muzzle for extra stability and accuracy. It is available in sizes from 60 cm to 110 cm and is perfect for medium and large games. Number 4. Seac Sling Speargun. It doesn't matter how powerful a speargun is. If you miss every time, then you might as well be using a pea shooter. Fortunately, the Seac Sling ensures both killer accuracy and power in abundance. Is it not just down to the shooter? Nope, absolutely not. An open sight system, which comes as standard on this model, allows you to effortlessly aim at your target in fractions of a second. Your arm, gun and spear all need to be in perfect alignment when you pull the trigger. With this speargun you can make this happen with minimal effort. Did I tell you it looks amazing? The lightweight alloy barrel and Machaira camouflage finish are sleek, stylish and beautifully good looking, meaning you have form and function all in your hand. Speaking of hands, the molded ergonomic grip ensures even pressure and contact over the entire surface of the handle, giving supreme comfort and accuracy. To top it all, the incorporated chest rest makes loading this beast really easy. So if you want to go for a little more firepower, you can do so without worrying about tired arms. Pros: a lightweight and good-looking speargun, improved accuracy and an easy sighting system. I love the sternum rest for easy reloading. Cons: it's perfect for beginner. Number 5. Cressi Reliable Speargun. Be confident in your purchase knowing that you have a reliable gun that excels in precision and durability. The SL Star range of pneumatic spear guns has been in production for many years now. They have won worldwide fame for their excellence in terms of robustness, reliability, precision, and powerful shooting. They come with anatomical high grip butts enabling the gun to be held in line with the arm with no extra effort. This allows the gun to be easy and comfortable to use. The bright yellow grip makes you visible in the water, increasing your safety. SL Star spear guns are available as SL 40, 40 cm long, SL 55, 55 cm long, SL 70, 70 cm long, no power reducer, with a power reducer in 55-70-100 cm long. Overall, the spear guns are ultralight, easy to use, and fire quickly. Key features: harpoon style, 1-year warranty, high visibility color, large reef fishing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.